Good evening and welcome to the audience and the chief guest and everybody. I have to make presentation on IT initiatives of Government of Bihar and opportunities that have rolled out in the state. Actually, in a state like Bihar, which is not very developed, government has to be prime mover for any kind of demand generation. And so has happened in Bihar. In last 5 years, 5 to 6 years, a lot of things have been done in the state, and I would like to know the audience here what we have done, and also how they have translated, these activities have translated into demand and opportunities in the state. As I said, the new definition of growth started in the year 2005 when a new government came after a short stint of president rule. The new government had the clear policy of good governance and focus on citizen-centric service delivery. That was the backdrop, and e-governance initiatives were taken in that background. The state IT activities started in that year. Incidentally, the national e-governance projects were also being rolled out at the same time. So we had the benefit. We had the benefit of the synergy, because state initiative was also there and national e-governance plan was also being implemented. So that helped us in leapfrogging the things, and what we had lost in the last many years, we tried to catch up with that. And silently, we did things, and after 3 years of silent activity, the IT community took notice of the thing that things are happening in Bihar. I'll tell about shortly, because unless I take you through the short journey of what we have been doing in Bihar, you'll not be having a perception how things have improved and why demand has been generated in the state. BIS1 is a state highway. We have information highway. It has been implemented in all 495 POPs. It means we are connected up to the block level with 2 Mbps connectivity. We are using the SWAN not only for video conferencing, but important applications also running on this, like State Finance Department, the Treasury operation uses SWAN very extensively. We use video conferencing for project monitoring. District magistrates are doing video conferencing with videos, and VAT administration also makes use of the connectivity being made available by SWAN. Then CSC, as everybody knows, in 8463 panchayats we had to do, around 5,000 we have implemented. State government has a very clear-cut focus on CSC implementation and citizen services being rolled out through the CSCs. So, and only recently, the state government decided that public service delivery, like certain Right to Services Act has been passed by the State Assembly, and it is being implemented. Bihar is one of the first few states which has done it. Then state data center, as every state is doing, we are also doing. SSDG is also one important component of the CSC, because unless SSDG portal is there, then CSCs will not be able to deliver the things. So that has been done. Before, when we launched things in 2006, and SWAN was implemented, we also implemented the Secretariat LAN, Gigabit LAN, is all Secretariat buildings are connected. Then we had to have a data center, which we did not have. So we set it up as a brain data center, that is Bihar Revenue Administration Intranet Data Center. So that was, we were one of the first states in Eastern India who had state-of-the-art kind of data center. And before the SDC plan, only thereafter SDC plan came, and we took advantage of that also. As I told you earlier, SecLAN of course is there, that connecting all the Secretariat buildings. Then CTIMS is one of the important applications which is running on SWAN, making use of SWAN and Secretariat LAN. All that Bihar was, unfortunately for some reasons, was known for treasury scams, other things also. Then state government also wanted to stem the rot. So financial sector reform was on the agenda, on the top agenda of the state government. So treasury reform was to be taken care, And we implemented this comprehensive treasury management information system long before the government of India came out with Treasury MMP. So we implemented it. It is running very well, and state government treasury operation it has been appreciated by the government of India, and state government is trying to make more use of it, like HRMS, other things like EPF, everything we are going to use in this application, and a lot of employee services also will improve. Payment and other activities of state government will be streamlined. Similarly, VAT MIS also has been done. That VAT administration is making use of the SWAN, and it has improved the tax administration, compliance, and all those things. At the same time, like e-payment for the tax-paying community, commercial tax-paying community, e-payment and all those things have been implemented, and people are very happy with, the trading community is quite happy with this. Then, like every other state also, we also had planned to improve state government function in the secretariat. So IWDMS, that is Integrated Workflow and Document Management System, which actually is a less paper office. Paperless office is almost impossible to implement in government system. So less paper office has been implemented. It is being extensively used by major departments, including Chief Minister's Secretariat. ICT school also in 1,000 schools we have implemented, and we had one definition for this project. That was, we wanted to provide same kind of computer education in the rural schools, which was available in any good public school of Patna. And that has been done in 1,000 schools. Again, 1,000 schools are being rolled out. E-Shakti is one very innovative project that we launched. And long before that Aadhaar and other things came, we wanted to give smart cards for the Narega people, and a pilot was done. And when Aadhaar project was there, then Mr. Nilekani visited Patna also, and he appreciated very much that it has been done in Bihar, though on a lower scale, small scale, but it was there. Then modernization of prison, then prison court, video conferencing, all those things were there. E-procurement is one thing. Like when the new government came, a lot of contractor rivalry and forceful capturing, all those things were there. They were quite common phenomena in the state. So e-procurement was launched there, and now no newspaper is carrying any story that trainer has been captured or that kind of thing is there. So around 12,000 crores projects have been handled through it. Then Jankari is one thing I would like to mention here. Bihar got National E-Governance Award for this. We implemented Jankari on that is right to information on telephone. It was quite innovative. Anybody can make a phone call on a given number, and he will get his RTI application prepared, and fee is also collected on the telephone. There are a few other things also. I'll quickly go through this. The other MMPs we are implementing, like any other state, we are also doing. About e-district, I would like to mention that we also got the some pilot projects for e-district. In Bihar, it was successfully done. And the state government only 15 days back, the state cabinet had passed that Bihar on its own would go for e-district implementation for all the 38 districts. How these things are translating into opportunities, I would like to tell about that. That good governance efforts have resulted into steep rise and continuation of double-digit GSDP. Everybody must have been reading in newspaper that Bihar is witnessing a double-digit growth rate, and it is 12% plus. Government IT spending has increased. Separate IT department was created only in 2007, but the budget was rupees 104 crores to start with in 2008. In last year it was 185 crores, and now it has been finalized for 226 crores. So this gives an idea what kind of spending would be there in IT sector. Together with the IT spending by state government, there are some spin-off effects also of e-governance initiatives, because state government has focused on service delivery, and it will keep on increasing. Huge opportunities have opened up for system integrators, application developers, consultants, hardware companies, turnkey solution providers, software professionals, cyber experts, innovators, everybody. Because this focus of state government will continue. Large number of employees, and on the resource side, I would like to say that large number of employable English-knowing young population is there in Bihar. Bihar origin young population is studying in engineering colleges outside Bihar in large number. And the state government's government initiative to fulfill the expectation of people and desire of government of good governance shall keep the demand side up for many years. I just want to assure about that. State government wants to spend more on education, healthcare, agriculture, urbanization, and general development. This will definitely create demand. Then private investment in power, agro-processing, service sector is also coming to Bihar. And for commercial arrangements, Bihar government is open to SPV and joint venture formations. IT parks and other infra facilities are being created, and state IT policy is quite supportive to investment for production, development, and integration of education in IT. So with these words, I would like to conclude that silently a lot of things have been done, and because of state government focus on continuously giving a push to these things, the demand is there, opportunity is there. Thank you.